In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gumroad to PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is open up a web browser and head on over to gumroad.com and sign into your account. Now, once you sign into your account, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll notice there's a few tabs here. So scroll down and click into the settings tab. Then from here, under settings, we got more tabs. Click on where it says payments. Now inside of here, we need to make sure verification has been verified. From here, we can change our schedule for our payout schedule. So we can change that weekly, monthly, quarterly, and all that fun stuff. You're gonna have payment method. So we got bank account. We don't want that. We want to keep scrolling down. And then from there, we can connect our PayPal. So if you meet the minimum threshold, so you need to have at least earned $100 or more to connect your PayPal. What we can do there is click on connect with PayPal, and then that's going to open up another little window or box to add in your PayPal details, and then just go through that process, come back here, and that will be successfully connected.